Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tcarp. As you can see, it is snowing. I just got off of work early. It's about 2 o'clock. It's actually about 2:30 now. Wasn't supposed to snow today, kind of like a dusting. Then the forecast came for about an inch. Now we're looking at about 2 to 3 inches right now. Where I live up near the Smoky Mountains, we're probably going to get about 5 to 7. So it changes really quick. It's continuously snowing. I'm about to get on the road. I still got my winter survival kit, and I hope you guys do too. I'm on an average drive. I got about a 45-minute drive. We'll see how I make it. I've got everything in the car. I've got jackets, warm clothes, food. I've got some extra water. I've got everything I need. There are a lot of wrecks right now out on the roads because the roads haven't been salted. It's about 19 degrees, so hopefully I won't see anybody walking the roads, but that has been reported. So we're going to see how I do, and I'll keep you guys updated here on the YouTube channel. This is what we prepare for. This is why we prepare. It's not just craziness or whatnot. It's hey, you need to have some food, water, a survival kit in the back of your car. Prepping's not just for the zombie apocalypse or whatnot. It's for your everyday. So this is Tcarp signing out. We'll see how I make it.
Make mommy ski. Come on. Come on. Go. 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 Come on, let's go down. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Go.
Say mush. He won't mush, will he? There he goes. Hey, buddy. Ah.
Super. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Cooper. Cooper, I'm gonna get you. Cooper. Cooper. Come on.
Hey.
I'm gonna get you. Cooper. Does Cooper love play?
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tcarp. As you can see, I made it home just fine. As you can tell, I don't know if you can, it snowed quite a bit, which I think is really awesome. Made it home just fine. We got about 4 to 6 inches. I got probably about 6 inches here on the back deck. But just to show you guys that you never know when it's going to snow. You never know when you're going to need your kit. There were reports of people in Atlanta still being stuck on, on the roadways and stuff like that, and 1 to 2 inches. A lot of people up north may make fun, but no one down here is really prepared for this. So that's why, no matter where you are, you do need to have a winter survival kit. You do need to have stuff in the back of your car. You do need to have a little bit of food, water, something to keep you warm, just in case. If you're like me, you live on the close to southeast, and where it really didn't snow like this. This is a surprise. I think this is the most snow we've gotten since about 2 or 3 years. So I know it's definitely the coldest it's been. I think it's 10 to 12 degrees. This morning it was 0, and which is colder than Alaska right now and colder than the North Pole. So go figure. But you guys have a great day. Hope you're enjoying your snow day if you're like me. Guys, this is Tcarp signing out.